Hello, yeah, hi, I'm Sin, welcome back to another YouTube video. I'll be explaining why I haven't been uploading, or haven't uploaded in quite some time. So, for those who don't know, I'm in grade 8 now, about to go to, actually, high school next year. So, yeah, I've been trying my best to focus on school, but it's not going too well. I've also just fallen out of love with making YouTube videos. But I do stream though. I do like to stream. So if you wanna watch me stream, you can watch me stream at Twitch. I think it's what I do, but for my Twitter, I find my Twitch for my Twitter at SolarKuna1. I post when I'm gonna go live on Twitch there. It's like I'm promoting everything now. Also, you might have realized that I deleted all the videos with my face in it, and that is because I just don't like to show my face in videos anymore. I want to have my face from now on. So if you have saw my face, congratulations. You've sold the legendary Sinkage's. That's my name right now. Right, well, I was going to change my name to Solar Kuna, but there's no point if I don't upload, right? So, you've seen the legendary Shin Kage or Solar Kuna's face. Oh my god, guys. I've seen his face. He looks so ugly. Oh, but congratulations. I mean, like, I don't know what else to say, man, but good on you. But yeah. I don't know what to do, man. I'm not good at recording videos. I'm just good at streaming. I don't know what to say in videos like these. I remember I made a video a long. What the fuck? What the chat? Oh, my game glitched. Okay, yo. Is it in options? But yeah, whatchamacallit? I don't know what to say in these videos. Like, I'm always saying, whatchamacallit. But yeah, I'm about to go live actually in a couple minutes. I'll be streaming VR chat. But I just found out that you don't need a VR to play VR chat. Now, I don't know how to play VR chat, so like, wish me luck. Like, please, wish me luck. Because I don't know what will happen. I am antisocial myself, so I don't know how to socialize. I'm gonna probably be using a voice changer though. I'll have to install a voice changer. Hey, no way, fuck am I using my real voice. I'll probably just like deepen my voice a little bit, not too much though. Probably be different for you guys as well, because like I have to do it that way. Alright. Well, I'll be going live actually, I'll put my Twitch in the link of the description down below so you can watch me stream VR chat. So yeah, if you want to see me get tortured, be afraid. Go watch my stream there. Yeah, go watch my stream there. I mean, yeah, that's it for me, chat. I guess peace out. I mean, I don't know what else to say, bro. Peace out.